In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update the apps in App Store on your Mac. So very first thing what you need to do is you need to launch your App Store. For that you can search using the Spotlight search, or you can also visit the Finder application, and here you can search for App Store. So open the App Store. So once you open the App Store, you would be able to see this update section, which will display a list of all the apps available for update that you have installed from your App Store. So what you can do is you can simply click on any of the button, update, and then it will start updating. Similarly, you can also click on all the updates, or click on this button, update all, which will automatically start downloading updates for all available updates. So this was the simple procedure to update the apps. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.